Hey everyone, Frank Turlip here again, and it's Friday morning, and I'm sitting here thinking again about those thousands of repaired or calibrated ADAS equipped vehicles that have been delivered to their owners this week without a properly performed or documented test drive. When will auto, collision, glass, truck, and insurers do the right thing and agree that every ADAS equipped vehicle must receive a properly performed and documented test drive? How can it be right to direct a vehicle to a repair facility to get repaired or calibrated, and then that repair facility delivers an ADAS equipped vehicle back to the vehicle owner without any proof that those ADAS systems actually operate as designed? So, how does the consumer know their ADAS systems will operate properly if there's no documentation? How can a repairer sleep at night without knowing that the ADAS equipped vehicles they repaired or calibrated might not work as designed? And how can an insurer not understand the importance of insuring the ADAS systems on the vehicle they actually insure and directed to their repair facility for a repair or calibration operates as designed before that vehicle is delivered back to the consumer, their customer? Come on, industry, this is not rocket science. ADAS equipped vehicles need a proper test drive that is documented to ensure the consumer receives a vehicle that they know that their ADAS systems operate as designed.